Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, on this beautiful day. How you guys and girls doing? Hope you're doing great as always. Please check out the description box down below. You got a bunch of useful links. Follow me on Twitter, drop a like, join us on Discord if you want. Also subscribe if you like the content. Otherwise, let's just keep going. So today I thought we'd do a few things. We'd first go ahead and add a alert and an error GUI message here. Then we'll go into player, add some stuff, and we'll go into fixing the enemy toString as well. So I want to make sure I do all those things. Well, I just copy paste two of these now. So this is a menu item. Then we're going to do a menu or alert, and then we're going to do a GUI error. Okay, so there we go. We got two things. Now I just want to close all but this. Is that what I did? I think I did. GUI functions.h. And then I'm gonna add those two things here. I'm probably not gonna need an index, and I'm not gonna need the text there. Woo! Woo! What the hell just happened, bruh? Okay, I think that's fine. Let's just go in here. Just gonna steal this. Add two of those. Menu. We'll just call it alert and error. Should be fine. Message, MSG, or text, I think. Something like that. We'll just call it text. And then go in here. And then that's pretty much fine. SS. Let's do the text just like that. And then the text just like that. So how should an alert look? I guess I'll just do something. You guys can do whatever you want. An alert, I think, should be something like this, and then the text as well afterwards. And I'll just have another symbol for this, the error. Then it's gonna be an alert and an error, I guess, maybe something like that, or the other way around. Probably should be fine. So something like this. Whatever. There you go. So there you go. That's nice. And then we want one more thing. We don't want a title. We got the divider. We got the menu item. And then I just want, let's see, menu item. Let's take a menu title. I'll just call it menu title 2. Maybe that'll be fine. You just, if you want another type of menu title, that's a little smaller. Menu title 2. And for example, if we just open up our game.cpp, just see if I'm recording, yeah. Game.cpp, I'm gonna go ahead and go into main menu. We're gonna see if we have a sub choice here. I think we have a sub choice when we go into the character menu. So for character menu right here. So when we go in here, we have the menu title. All that, we need to fix this as well. And then here in the case 2, I think we have another choice, a submenu item, where we can use that. So pretty much level up character. Yeah, you know, pretty much. So let's just go in here. Let's do menu title 2. Pretty much the same. It's just let's see, 2 new lines. I guess we could have 2 new lines, yes, and we can just make it a little different if you guys want. Doesn't matter, you can do whatever you want here. Doesn't really matter. Menu divider, menu item, alert, error. Okay, but that's fine, and we'll add these to the game as we go along, but let's make the important stuff happen first. So we added those two. We'll just keep them there. And then I'm going to open up enemy.h really quickly here. And I'm going to go ahead into getAsString event. GetAsString event. Is this the new one I'm using? I think so. Because I'm doing the whole new line like that. Probably want to remove all the new lines here. Just all the new lines up until the end. And then we'll add a space to all of these, so they all come kind of after each other. So level, HP, damage, defense, accuracy. So we don't have kind of these big blocks of text every time we're printing out an enemy. So pretty much that seems okay. And then the thing, let's just run this and let's see. I just want to see if it runs in release. Let's see here. Because then I want to check out player, and I want to do one thing. I want to create kind of a mini thing that you see in the menu. Let's just increase this. Properties, and let's go ahead and do 36. And boom. Okay, that's fine. There we go. Probably didn't want to do that, but it's okay. So yeah, there you go. I want to create something up here that kind of shows me the character's level, the name, the EXP, and all that stuff. Like a little mini bar up here that I want to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and create that in player. Also, I want to check out character sheet. If I press 4, I do get this little sub menu here. Here I want to fix that up as well. So we'll have a few videos where we just fix these things, but let's go ahead and actually see if we can do that in player. Where's player? Character. Character.h, character.cpp. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna need a new function, and it's gonna be get menu bar or something like that. And I'll just create it in function here, pretty much. Const std string get menu bar, whatever, we'll just call it that, and then we will, yeah, const, there you go. So there we got a function. Let's just define that in here. Character.cpp get menu bar, boom. Now we're gonna use string stream here, so std string or stream string, if I can spell, string stream ss, boom, and then we're going to return ss.string. Goddamn, easy peasy. Okay, so there we go. Now I'm sorry if my voice is a little low in this video because I just tried some of these new settings, but we'll see. If it's too low, I'll change that for the next video. Anyway, so get menu bar. Now I'm gonna steal a little bit from this whole get a string thing. To string blah 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 blah. Pretty much steal this, all of this, or down to gold maybe right here. We'll just steal all that and put it back in here. Let's see. Which time do I have? Okay, 8 minutes. All right, this should be fine for this video. All right, let's go down here. Let's do this. What are we gonna need? Well, we're gonna need to make a little divider here. So std string, and I'm gonna make about, or can I use the GUI divider? GUI menu divider right here, and then I'm gonna have the name, the level, the EXP, and probably do this. So I'm gonna have a little something like that, and then this EXP next. So just a little shorthand for that. Stat points, we'll print that out, and we probably just want maximum of 5 things. We don't want all of this crap right here. Maybe HP, so we know how much HP we have. Stamina, that's fine, I guess. Distance travel, we don't need all that. We'll just keep it to this, and then we'll make another little menu divider here, like this. And then, so we've got the name, the level. We can make it even shorter to just copy paste this in here. Okay, and make some parentheses around that. This EXP next. Maybe another parentheses and a new line. Okay, pretty much. I'll just do that, and then we don't need the EXP. Then we do have the stat points and the HP, so we know how much HP we have. Okay, then we'll just return that. That's fine. Then we go into game, main menu, is alive. Alright, we get the menu title, we get the characters, EXP, XP next, all that shit. Level up available. That's cool. That's good. Active character. Alright, so this is probably where I want to do the active character thing. So just remove that. This active.get menu bar. I'm just gonna print that out. Now I'm not sure if the menu bar and the divider is enough, but we will remove most of that. Gonna remove this as well. Maybe one new line will be enough. We'll see. We'll see. Let's just run this. Whoops, what did I do? I don't know what the hell I did. Okay, that should be fine. Let's just run this and see what happens. Okay, so that's above main menu. That's interesting. Pretty much don't want that. Pretty much don't want that. My idea is there. The idea is correct. So I'm just gonna take this, and that's main menu. It should be, main menu should be above. Okay, that's very interesting. Get menu bar. Alright, that's very interesting. Let's just remove the menu dividers, and let's just do std string, let's say 30 and a line. Let's do the same thing, new line, and let's do the same thing down here. Okay, alright, and then we'll go to game. So we set it to menu title, that's fine. We do that if we want. Menu string, all that crap. Alright, let's see. Then that should be fine. I don't get this though. That's really weird. That is really weird. And this divider and all this space here, I'll have to check that out. But at least the idea is there, so we can see our name, stat points, HP, and all that crap. So we don't always have to go into character sheet. Also, if I travel and try to find an enemy, hopefully I'll find an enemy soon. Enemy turn. Okay, so let's just let the enemy do his thing. Attack. Alright, so now we got the enemy looking like this. Okay, we got it looking like this, and that's fine. We'll add some lines to this and make it look a little better. So as you can see, these games, man, you gotta kind of keep playing and fiddling with all these texts and stuff. But we'll try to figure it out. I'll fix this, and in the next videos we'll keep working on all this menu stuff, make it look better. Thank you so much for sticking with me in this video. I hope it was cool, and I hope you're learning. So yeah, if you have any questions, just ask me here or on Discord, wherever you want. Send me an email if you want. Also, drop a like, subscribe if you like the content. And thanks again. I'll see you guys and girls in the next one, alright? Bye-bye.